He has already locked me out.
Yes.
Good.
No, go ahead.
All right. My name is Sydney Chazima from NTV. My statement is, my question is locked to, we've had a meeting with the Kenya Kwanza side of the bipartisan talks, and they are saying that since the talks are seemingly ceasing and there's no legal conundrum around what the selection panel was doing, they're saying that it should go ahead and appoint select the commissioners for the Iebc. What is your take on that?
We already made a statement about that. As you know, that Iebc is a national institution which is supposed to preside over elections. And these are not Kenya Kwanza elections. They're national elections. They are competition. So Kenya Kwanza cannot solely, alone, single-handedly, appoint the referee in the elections. That is very unfair. Those then will be their own elections. They are not going to be Kenyan national elections. You've said that Azimio must be part and parcel of appointing the electoral commissioners. So that must be decided jointly. They are the ones who actually scatter the talks. They even refuse to stop that task force from proceeding ahead. The task force has said that they never stopped. They have never been told to stop at all. So they basically were just playing a game with us. But we are telling them those will not be Kenya national elections. And we hope that we will not reach that stage.
Last question.
My name is Emmanuel Toff from KTN News. Just one question. Yesterday, the courts